In the heart of Boston's Chinatown, you are stepping into an ambiance unlike any other. It is time to put y'all onto my spot, Ruckus. Right away you are hit with hip-hop blasting through the speakers, artwork all over the walls, and introduced to an open kitchen to see what these chefs are creating. Just take the time out to appreciate their insane Cause Companion collection. These are absolutely fire. Right here, chef is adding roasted seaweed to their miso lit ramen. Ha, get it? There is no doubt that these companions are dope in every single way, but this Banksy Flower Bomber Metacom knocks it out the park for me. The chefs killed this. This is the Shuriken Ramen, shout out to Ryu, and this is the miso lit ramen. Just look at that chili oil and that gooey egg goodness. Perfection. The Shuriken Ramen has the add-ons of bok choy, marinated yuba, pork neck chashu, and a soy egg. All of their noodles are house made as well, chewy and flavorful to complement the shoyu broth and cut to the perfect length. To complete my meal, I got their pork dumplings. No explanation, just look at that. If you want to listen to great hip hop music, see beautiful art, and eat delicious food, then Ruckus is the place to be at.